gives you the slope. Slope is 1 minus n. Tangent 45 is 1. So 1 minus n is equal to 1. Hence n is equal to 0. So it is a zero order reaction. Now, if the graph between concentration of product versus time for the reaction is given, then the graph between rate of reaction versus time will be. So you have to predict in which case the graph will be a straight line between the concentration and time. In the case of zero order reaction, the rate does not depend upon time. So the graph will always come out to be a straight line as it is shown. It means that this is a zero order reaction. Now for zero order reaction, the rate versus time will be parallel to x-axis because the rate will remain same. Hence the correct answer is second. Regarding the factors affecting the rate of reaction, you know the different factors are nature, which we cannot change. Surface area, greater the surface area, greater will be the contact, greater will be the rate of reaction. That is why powdered charcoal burns faster than a lump of charcoal. Another factor is temperature. According to Arrhenius, the rate of reaction is dependent upon temperature, which is given by the expression K is equal to A into e raised to power minus EA upon RT. Means K, the rate constant, is the exponential function of temperature. Now if the question is a schematic plot of natural log of K versus time for a reaction is as shown, what the reaction will be? Exothermic, endothermic, athermic, highly spontaneous. In order to solve this question, you know delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, which is equal to minus RT ln K. So dividing it, you will get ln K is equal to minus delta H upon RT plus T delta S upon RT. So natural log of K is equal to minus delta H upon RT plus delta S upon R. He has plotted a graph between natural log of K versus 1 upon T, which is coming out to be a straight line with positive slope. It means that the value of equilibrium constant is increasing with temperature. So if the reaction is delta H is negative, then negative negative will be positive. So the slope will be positive. That is why this reaction is exothermic. Had it been endothermic, the slope would have been negative because before delta H you have a negative sign. In the same way, he can ask you another question. Supposing the value of T